Hi, NCA candidates. Are you preparing for the NC Foundations of Canadian Law exam? If yes, then this is for you. See, most candidates underestimate this paper, and that's exactly why it becomes difficult. Because Foundations exam is not testing rote learning. The objective of this course is to introduce foreign trained lawyers as to how the Canadian legal system works. Here's what the syllabus is really trying to assess. Number one, understanding of the Canadian legal system. Not just what the law is, but how law functions within the Canadian society and institutions. Second, the ability to engage with legal theories, natural law, positivism, critical perspectives, not just memorization, but for application and analysis. Third, understanding of the legal framework, how constitutional structure, institutions, and legal principles connect across different areas of law. Fourth, sources of Canadian law, statutes, case law, constitution conventions, and how these different sources interact with one another. Fifth, government structure and constitutional relationships, the roles of the executive, legislature, and judiciary, and how these branches maintain constitutional balance in Canada. Sixth, international law in Canada, the Canadian treaty making process and the implementation of international law into domestic law. Seventh is indigenous state relationship, the unique relationship between Aboriginal peoples and the Canadian state, along with the impact of the legal system on indigenous and minority communities. And lastly, the judicial review and statutory interpretation, as how courts interpret legislation, review government action, and shape the development of Canadian law. So, what the NCA is actually testing here is clarity of concepts, ability to connect different areas of law, critical thinking, and independent legal judgment. And that is why simply memorizing summaries is often not enough for this subject. So, if you want structured preparation, concept clarity, guidance on writing, and personalized mentoring sessions for the preparation of NC exams, DM on WhatsApp for details about the personal guidance pack and subscribe this channel.